Microplastics in your tea. A hidden health concern brewing a cup of tea might expose you to billions of microplastic particles. Recent research confirms that common tea bags, even those marketed as biodegradable, shed significant amounts of plastic into your drink, raising questions about potential health risks. The issue stems from the materials used in tea bag construction: polypropylene, nylon, and even paper cellulose, all of which leach plastic under hot water conditions. The scale of the problem, a 2019 Canadian study, first revealed the extent of the problem. A single cup of tea brewed with a standard nylon or polyethylene tea bag can contain up to 11.6 billion microplastics and 3.1 billion nanoplastics. Subsequent research has confirmed these findings. A new study tested empty tea bags made of polypropylene, nylon, and cellulose, finding that polypropylene released the most particles, around 1.2 billion, followed by cellulose, 135 million, and nylon, 8.18 million per milliliter of water. These numbers are not theoretical. Researchers have demonstrated that human intestinal cells readily absorb these plastic particles. After 24 hours in lab conditions, the microplastics had even reached the cell nuclei, the core of our genetic material. This is particularly concerning because mucus, which should act as a protective barrier, appears to enhance plastic adherence. Why this matters: the prevalence of microplastics in tea bags isn't merely an isolated issue. It reflects a broader trend of ubiquitous plastic exposure in daily life. We have to be concerned about the huge number of single-use plastics that humans are exposed to daily, explains Alba Garcia Rodriguez, the study author. The high temperatures, water exposure, and even stirring during brewing accelerate plastic leaching. The long-term health impacts remain uncertain, but experts warn the possibility of microplastics infiltrating tissues and organs via the bloodstream is a real threat. While current research lacks conclusive evidence, scientists know that plastic production chemicals can disrupt the endocrine system and contribute to cancer risk. What you can do: the most effective solution is to switch to loose-leaf tea brewed with a stainless steel infuser or reusable filter. Biodegradable plastic tea bags are not a safer alternative. They tend to break down even faster, releasing even more nanoplastics. Beyond tea, reducing overall microplastic exposure requires conscious lifestyle changes. Use glass food containers, avoid plastic water bottles, and minimize consumption of plastic-wrapped produce. These small steps can help mitigate the growing threat of plastic pollution in our food and environment. The findings are a clear call for greater scrutiny of single-use plastics and a push toward safer, more sustainable alternatives. Until then, consumers should be aware of the hidden risks in their daily routines and take proactive measures to protect their health.